Have you ever wondered how you can make money online in 2023? The digital age has opened up a world of possibilities for income generation right from the comfort of your own home. This shift to remote work not only offers flexibility, but also cuts down on the daily grind of commuting. So, if you're contemplating the idea of earning an online income, you're in the right place. Let's dive into 16 successful strategies you can use to make money online. The first strategy to consider is starting a blog. With a world increasingly leaning towards digital consumption, blogging has become one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. You don't need to be a tech whiz to start a blog. Platforms like Squarespace make it easy to build your own website, even with no prior experience. Once your blog is up, you can share your insights, experiences, and expertise with the world. But how do you make money from it? Well, there are several ways to monetize your blog. You can use affiliate marketing, display ads, or sell your own products or services. The second strategy is completing online surveys. Companies value consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for them. Platforms like Survey Junkie offer you a chance to earn rewards for sharing your opinions on products or websites. These rewards can be in the form of cash or gift cards. It may not make you a millionaire, but it's a simple way to make some extra cash. Moving on to our third strategy, it's all about starting a side hustle. We live in the age of the gig economy, where apps like DoorDash, Uber, TaskRabbit, or Handy offer additional income opportunities. Whether you're delivering food, offering a car ride, or performing handyman services, these apps let you make money on your own schedule. The fourth strategy involves selling websites or online businesses. Just like real estate, digital properties can be bought and sold for profit. Platforms like Flipper allow you to determine the value of a website and sell it to the highest bidder. If you have a knack for identifying potential, you can buy a website, improve it, and sell it at a higher price. These are just the first 4 strategies. Let's move on to the next ones. The fifth strategy is writing a newsletter. This is a powerful tool for anyone with a passion for writing and a knack for curating interesting content. You can use it to share insights, promote products or services, or even affiliate links to your subscribers. Platforms like Substack or MailChimp can help you get started, allowing you to build a subscriber base and potentially earn a steady income. Moving on to strategy 6, creating a YouTube channel. If you have a talent for creating engaging content or a unique perspective to share, YouTube provides a platform to reach millions. Once you build a substantial following, you can monetize your channel through ads, channel memberships, or merchandise sales. The key to success here is consistency and understanding what your audience wants to see. Our 7th strategy is writing an ebook. If you have a story to tell or expertise to share, self-publishing an ebook can be a rewarding way to make money online. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, or Rakuten Kobo make it easy to publish your work and reach a global audience. The best part? You earn royalties every time someone purchases your book, making this a great source of passive income. Finally, let's talk about voiceover acting. This is strategy number 8. With the rise of audiobooks, podcasts, and online videos, there's a growing demand for voiceover artists. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this could be a perfect fit. You'll need to invest in some quality recording equipment and spend time building a portfolio. Once you've done that, you can offer your services for projects like ebooks, online videos, or even ads. Platforms like voices.com or Fiverr can help you find potential gigs. These strategies are great for those who have specific skills or interests. But let's move on to more opportunities. The 9th strategy is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide remote administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs, offering services such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media accounts. Platforms such as Belay, Upwork, and Zirtual can help you connect with potential clients. This role is perfect for those with strong organizational skills and a knack for multitasking. Moving on to the 10th strategy, Twitch streaming. If you're a gaming enthusiast, Twitch could be your ticket to online income. Stream your gameplay, build a community, and monetize your content through subscriptions, bits, ads, and sponsorships. The key here is to create engaging and entertaining content that attracts and retains viewers. Next, our 11th strategy, testing websites and apps. Many businesses are willing to pay for user feedback on their digital products. Platforms like user testing allow you to earn money by providing valuable insights on user experience. This strategy requires a keen eye for detail and an understanding of what makes a website or app user-friendly. Finally, the 12th strategy is selling used items. Declutter your home and earn extra cash in the process. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace make it easy to connect with local buyers. From furniture to clothing, electronics to collectibles, there's a market for almost anything you no longer need. These strategies offer a variety of options for different people. Let's continue to the final 4 strategies. The 13th strategy is hosting on Airbnb. This requires some property to start with, but if you have a spare room or even an entire house that's often vacant, you can put it to work. Airbnb allows you to rent out your space to travelers or locals in need of short-term accommodation. This can provide a substantial passive income stream, and you get to meet people from all walks of life. The 14th strategy is freelance writing. If you have a way with words, there are plenty of businesses and individuals who could use your talents. This could involve writing blog posts, articles, or even ghostwriting a book. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger can connect you with clients, and you can set your own rates and hours. Next, we have dropshipping. This e-commerce method allows you to sell products without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier, and you pocket the difference. It's a smart way to start an online store without the risk and expense of storing and managing stock. Our final strategy, number 16, is print on demand. This involves selling customized products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You create the design, and a third-party company handles the printing and shipping. This means you can sell physical products without any upfront investment or storage issues. Platforms like Printify or Printful make it easy to start your own print-on-demand store. When choosing a strategy, consider your skills, resources, and what you enjoy doing. Whether it's writing, selling products, or leveraging your property, there's a strategy for you. Remember, successful online income often involves diversifying your revenue streams and continually seeking new opportunities. These final strategies are excellent for those who enjoy writing, selling products, or leveraging their property. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions. You may wonder, how can I make $300 a day online? Well, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Consider offering services in areas you excel in, such as writing, web development, or graphic design. Next question, what's the fastest way to make money online? Quick cash can often come from selling used items. Platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp can facilitate these transactions. How about making money from my website? Absolutely. Monetizing your site can be achieved through affiliate marketing, selling products, or even a paid newsletter. Making money on Amazon, is that possible? Indeed, it is. Amazon offers various opportunities, from selling products to self-publishing on Kindle, affiliate marketing, or even delivering packages with Amazon Flex. Lastly, can I make money on TikTok? Yes, you can. Once you have more than 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you qualify for the TikTok Creator Fund. You can also sell products or offer subscriptions. With these 16 strategies and answers to common questions, you're well equipped to start making money online in 2023. Remember, the key is finding what works best for you.